if you have to choose between a very nice luxury face cream and a supplement that supports your body and skin from the inside out, which one are you going to choose? For me, you know my answer. I always prioritize things that support the body and my skin from the inside out. That's why I like facial exercises, because it strengthens my facial muscle, support my skin from the outside, lift it and tone naturally. So here are the basic supplements that I take every day. It's not only supporting my whole body, my overall health, but also supporting my skin, glowing skin from the inside out. Vitamin C. It supports uneven skin tone and support the collagen production. Omega-3. Not only wonderful for our body, but also it supports healthy, glowing skin, keep our skin hydrated. Magnesium complex. This help with my stress balance. It help my muscles and my bones because I'm exercise every day. It supports my sleep. Yeah, it is one of the essential supplements that we should have. One of the supplements I always have it when I'm at home in Germany. I ran out of it before my flight, so I don't have it here with me. That is vitamin D3 and K2. Every year I have my blood status for vitamin D3. Make sure that the level that's not too low. If it's too low, then I have to take extra higher doses every day. But vitamin D3 and K2 is so important for your whole body. One extra supplement that I'm taking every day, especially during the summer. So I'm here in Vietnam right now, full of sun. It's so sunny every day. It's like 35 to close to 40 degrees every day. This ingredient is amazing and not many people talking about. It is astaxanthin. It is a wonderful beauty antioxidant. Protect your skin from daily damage, especially from the sun. Support your skin glowing from within. Share with me in the comment below which basic supplements that you are taking every day.